Okay, told you I'd make a problem. I'm making the problem right now. Okay, so I made a slightly different problem. Here's two objects. I don't know what they are. Object A, object B. They're moving towards each other. I have object A is 100 kilograms. B is 4 kilograms. The velocity of A before is 3, 0, negative 2. And then B is 150, 0, 250 meters per second. And so I'm calling this VB1 and VA1. After they collide, object 2 is moving with a velocity of 100, 0, negative 120. And we want to find the velocity of A. That's what we want to do. Okay, so if this is in space, then when these two collide, there's an interaction, there's a force. B pushes on A pushes on B, so they have opposite changes in momentum. One way to do this is to say the initial momentum, P1 total, equals P2 total. Okay, that's the same as saying the momentum before and after the same is saying the change momentum is 0. Okay, so let's calculate the momentum at the beginning. It's going to be mass A times VA1 plus mass B times VB1. And those are vectors. Okay, and then I have afterwards, it's the same thing, but now I have different velocities, so this is just going to be equal to mass A VA2 plus mass B VB2. That's it. Okay, now I just need to solve for the velocity of A afterwards, V2A, and I'm going to do that like this. VA2 equals, I'm going to subtract that from both sides. So I'm going to get MA VA1 plus MB VB1 minus VB2. So what I did was I subtracted this from both sides, and then I factored out the B. So that's VB1 minus VB2, that's where I get that. Oh, and then I have to divide this by MA, and I divide that by MA, so that cancels. Okay, so now I have what I want. I just have to put in the things I need. Okay, so I'm going to do it right here. Okay, so VA1 is going to be 3, 0, negative 2. I'll leave the units off for simplicity. So this is going to be VA2 equals that plus, now I have MB over MA, so it's going to be 4 over 100. And then I have the difference in velocities. So I'm just going to do this VB1 minus VB2. So here's 150 minus, did I erase that one? That was pretty dumb. Okay, well, it was 100. I'm almost positive. It was 100. So 150 minus 100 is going to be equal to 50. The zeros find 0. And then I have 250 minus 120 is going to be 370. Minus negative 120, 370. Okay, so now I just need to multiply this through and get it together. So I should have done this better. So it's 3 times plus, so this is going to be 4 times 50 over 100 is going to be, let's see, it's going to be 2. Is that right? That's 2. Did I do that right? 2. Because this is 2 over 4. 4 over 2 says 2. So 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. So 5, 0. Then I'm going to get negative 2. So this is going to be 370 divided by 100, 3.7 times 4 is going to be what? 15-ish? 15-ish. 15. So plus negative 2, it's going to be, I'm going to say 13. This is approximately. So that's my final velocity for the space junk. Momentum is conserved.